Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to exchange or clean the filter in ROBOROCK QRevo Curv. So to change or clean the filter, first you need to take the robot out of the charging case. Then you should open this magnetic lid and you'll see the dustbin here. So to open it, just click on this button right here and take it out. It is pretty simple. You cannot empty the dustbin yourself. It is emptied automatically after cleaning when it goes into the charging station, but you can replace the filters. So you can just open it. Actually, if you want, you can also through this hole empty the dustbin, but you don't have to since it empties it into the charging base. But the filter is here, so in order to take it out, you can just I don't think it's possible to take it out, so you should just replace the whole part or just clean the whole part, then put it back in the correct orientation, which is like that. So okay, so this little notch goes in this position, not in here, just like that. Then you can put it back in and close the magnetic lid. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.